Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about thread profiles, metric versus unified thread series. If you watch my old videos, I have already uploaded few videos regarding the bolt head, grid identification, their profile, and here we will check about the thread profiles and we'll understand about metric and unified thread series. So let's start the thread profiles. So here I put some of the figures which can explain you how the types of threads will be. Okay, sometimes the threads like V type, sometimes it is square, sometimes it is acme, okay, sometimes it is buttress, sometimes it is knuckle, and with tooth. So these types of threads depends upon the requirement, okay, where the industrial requirement is and what type of industrial requirement is. So based on that, the thread profile is decided. Usually this thread profile is decided by the designer. They need to find out what is the purpose of the work we are carrying out, how much shear force is required. So considering all these things, they decide which thread profile they have to select. Okay, so this is just for your knowledge, nothing to remember, just for your info. Okay, you have to able to know how many types of threads are there. Okay, so we will come here the different types of threads. This is most important, and you need to understand this. Usually, if you are working in an industry and you are procuring some of the bolts and nuts, okay, then you need to be very careful about the thread profiles, thread categories, okay, whether it is a metric thread, UNC thread, UNF thread, or BSF thread. If you watch my last video, I have briefly explained you what is the difference between UNC and UNF. So there is a metric thread. Metric thread is the most widely used today, okay, and can otherwise be referred to as isometric or M. Okay, both coarse and fine threads fasteners are available. In metric threads, you will find both coarse thread and fine thread. If you didn't know what is coarse thread and fine thread, you can go to my previous video where I have explained you what is the difference between coarse thread and fine thread and what is the advantage of coarse thread over fine thread and fine thread over coarse thread. So metric thread is coming both on coarse and fine threads, okay, and can be supplied in wide range of materials and sizes with a number of popular DIN standards, okay, with DIN standards. Metric threads come in variety strengths in grades and ranging from 4.8 to 12.9. So if you don't know what is 4.8, what is 8.8, what is 10.9, what does it denotes, you can watch my previous videos also. There I have explained you what is the what does it mean? What does it mean by 4.8? Okay, what is tensile strength? What is yield strength? What type of material it is? So everything was explained there. You can go there and you can check. So next it comes UNC. Okay, UNC, as I told, Unified National Coarse Threads. Okay, UNF, Unified National Fine Threads. So UNC is Unified Coarse Thread and is most commonly used thread type in United States or America. UNC fixing are often used with the agricultural industry because of their strong coarse threads. Okay, when I say coarse threads, that means less thread in 1 TPI. Okay, thread per inch. In 1 inch, less threads will come. The pitch will be higher. If it is a fine thread, then in 1 inch the threads will be more. Okay, the pitch will be less. This thread is deeper and more generic than that type of fine thread and allows more easy removal, while they also have a higher tolerance manufacturing and planting. Okay, it is a higher tolerance because why? Because the TPI, the threads per inch is is lesser in UNC. Okay, in coarse thread it is less. The pitch is high, but the threads are less. Okay, you need to remember it correctly. In fine threads, the threads are more and the pitch is less. So UNF stands for Unified Fine Threads or Unified National Fine Thread, which is also popular thread in the United States. UNF fixings are also used in the automotive and aerospace industries. Because of the requirement of the tight fine threads, UNF fasteners are typically made from steel or stainless steel fasteners. Features includes better torque locking and load carrying ability than UNC, with a more specific fit and tighter tolerance. Okay, so UNF, that is fine thread, is preferably used over UNC coarse threads. You can find out in my previous videos. There are a lot of Examples I've given. What are the advantages of fine thread over coarse threads? So BSF or British Standard Fine is another old stylish British thread and can be used on vintage automobiles and machinery. It is available on steel and stainless steel bolts, nuts, screws, and other fasteners, and can be all be seen with BSF. Okay, so this is one of the older one. But the first metric standards, UNC standard, and UNF standard. You will find all these three standards very popular in nowadays in the industry. So if you see here, I put a picture to get you understand what does it mean by pitch. Okay, pitch means one thread on the top. Okay, we call it measure area. So measure thread to another correspondence measure thread. The distance is called pitch. In fine thread, the pitch is less. Okay, U and F. In fine threads, the pitch is less. That's why the threads are more in TPI. In coarse thread, the pitch is high. The pitch is higher. Okay, that's why more tolerance is there. Okay, so in coarse thread, the pitch is higher and TPI is less. Okay, threads per inch is less. So here I put a picture for your understanding. What does it mean by pitch? So here you can find out what is meant by measured diameter and minor diameter. Minor diameter is the last one, landing, where it is land. Okay, the last landing to landing distance is called minor diameter. And to the top, edge to edge, okay, top edge to top edge is called measured diameter. Then what is the pitch diameter? Pitch diameter is the center one. From this is the minor, this is the minor line, okay, this is the major line. So in between the middle line is called pitch diameter. Okay, in between the middle line, it is called pitch diameter. So what is the thread angle? Thread angle is the angle in between the two threads. Okay, whatever angle is maintained, that is called thread angle. Depend upon thread angle, you have to choose the nut. If the thread angle is 60, you bring a nut up to 65, it will never fit. Okay, so that is called thread angle. And pitch, as I explained you in previous slides. So here it is incomplete, it is thread angle, it is pitch. Sank where the threading was not done. Okay, sank where the threading was not done. Unthreaded length. Okay, threaded length where the threading was done. Root, the inner portion of the thread is called root. Crest is the top portion of the thread is called crest. And run out is the last one. Okay, the last line where the threading was done is called run out. Lead means in one turn how much distance it will move. Okay, if I move the knot in one turn, starting from here, again it revolves down and comes to the same position. Okay, so how much distance it will travel, it is called lead. Okay, the distance traveled by knot in complete one turn. So types of threads and standards in the type, as I explained to you earlier, the types of threads and standards are unified national standards, UN standards. Okay, you can say UNF for fine threads. Then in UNF you can say UNRF where the profile is R type, UNJF J type profile, UNJEF. Okay, this is for fine threads. And similarly for the coarse threads you can say UNC. Okay, for UNC there is UNRC where the profile is R. Okay, and UNJC where the profile is J type. Okay, this is for the coarse one. So UN standard in ASME and ANSI 1.1, it is very popular and you will find in most of the industries. In metric standard, as we discussed earlier, metric standard and UN standards are very popular. In metric standard, you can check ISO 898. The national pipe thread, NPT, British standard pipe, we discussed in previous labs, BSP, SCME threads and buttress threads. So these are the few popular threads and standards. So metric and unified profile, what is the difference? Metric, it is an inch, and unified, it is a millimeter. The radius and everything is the angle and everything is same, 60 and 60, but only difference is it is an inch and it is an mm. So here it will come for M12 multiply 1.75. What does it mean? So M for metric threads, it's a metric thread. Measured diameter, 12 measured diameter, that is outside diameter. Okay, we already learned it. And 1.75 is the pitch. Pitch 1.75, I told you what is the pitch. Pitch from one thread to another one thread. Okay, what's the distance? It is called pitch. So that is 1.75 mm. So when somebody will ask you what does it mean by M12 multiply 1.75, you can explain him accordingly. When it is written UNC, that means it is a coarse thread. Okay, it's not a fine thread. Correct. So here even profile, here you can see even profile, there is showing the angle is 60 degree, and here the root is there. So it is just to understand, give you understanding what is called root. Okay. So here UNR, as I told you, there is UNR, UNJ, even JC, even RC are there. So when I say R, there is a radius. Okay. So what is the radius? They have made a radius 0.108 to 0.144 P. Okay. So that radius was maintained. That's why it is called UNR, because there is a radius is there. Okay. If there is no radius, then it is only UN. Correct. As compared to UNR threads, even J threads had shallow roots. Okay, as I told you, J threads are also there, R threads are also there. So he's telling as compared to UNR, okay, even J threads has shallow roots. Hence, minor diameter of even J is greater than UNR profile. As the thread have a shallow root, that's why even J is the minor diameter, the bottom one, okay, is greater than the radius profile one. It is obvious, okay, because it is go up, the UNR will go down. That's why the minor will be in J is greater than the R profile. So course threads, as I told you, even C, even RC, even JC, okay, unified national course threads, you have R profile threads, J profile course threads, okay. Similarly for UNF is a fine thread, it's R profile, J profile, and EF profile, okay. So these are some of the course thread and fine threads, popular thread types used in the industries. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you watch it and you learn a lot of knowledge from that. I am pretty sure it will give you a lot of understanding if you are working in industrial sectors. And kindly share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you very much.